This remarkable 6-bedroom, 3-full-bath, 6-half-bath home sits on 1 acre of beautiful land with mature trees. This home has 3,951 finished square feet and is truly move-in ready. The accessible front porch welcomes you inside this home's open floor plan. The stunning flooring is a showpiece as you enter into the first of 3 living spaces that opens to the remodeled kitchen with eat and breakfast bar, pendant lighting, crisp clean white cabinets, and stainless accents.Off. The kitchen is the perfect space for that home office with built-in desk and cabinetry, or great for a potential mud room with direct access to the garage. The main floor also offers a second family room with French door access to the back patio. An oversized laundry room with soaking tub and half bath is located off of the second living space. Finishing off the main floor of the 6 renovated bedrooms, 2 bedrooms feature en suites with full accessible baths and that feature solid surface counters.